Hey, if you wonder if there's the Amazon Alexa on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, then I can quickly check this for you. So when I'm gonna open all apps screen, I can actually search for the Amazon Alexa, but it looks like it's not here. But we can also check if we can download this assistant. So let's go into the application store of the watch. Then let's input this phrase right here, Amazon Alexa. There we go. And as you can see, here we got the Amazon Alexa, but it is actually not supported for the watch. So the last way to actually check this, we have to open the Google Play Store right here. Let's input this phrase, the Alexa. And let's search for it. Yeah, as you can see, we can actually find here the Alexa voice assistant. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.